Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Y2K outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair. Then you're going to color it with this color. And then combine it with this hair, make it the same color. Okay, and then you're going to put on this earring, make it black, and this necklace, make it black, and the sunglasses, make it black for the frame and choose to go to. And then this heels, make it black. All right, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this top. And for this top, make it this brown color, but I'm going to make it darker. Alright, and then for the next selection, just apply the same color. And then I'm going to combine it with this top. And for this top, we're going to apply this pattern. Okay, this one. And you're going to put on this gloves. And then remove the fur. And we're going to apply this pattern. And then put on this item, guys. And you're going to apply this pattern. Then go to the skirt area, put on the skirt and apply this pattern and put on this belt. And then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room. And from here, go to the curves item and then we're going to put on this dress. Choose to go for, remove the glitter and apply this pattern. And then I'm going to go to this menu and put on this dress, choose skirt only. And you're going to apply this pattern for all the selections. And then you're going to combine it with this skirt. And again, we're going to apply this pattern for all the selection. For the first selection until the last selection. And okay, and then I'm going to put on this phone. And then I'm going to color it black for the, for the second selection. Okay, then we're going to put on a bag. I'm going to grab this bag and then I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection until the third selection. And for the fourth selection, make it black. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video, guys.